Number 26, invest your time. Guard your time. Be careful to investigate. Invest it in the things that matter and make a difference. Include your teammates. Your time is one of the most valuable and limited resources. How you invest it will determine the extent of your growth and success. So, is there ever a time that you've used your time unwisely?
Yeah. Whenever I play my video games, I forget about my homework. So one time it was for like half of my grade and I didn't do it. And as soon as I got at school, I rushed to do it. Is there any time that's happened to you?
No, not yet. But if you can go back, take that time back, would you do your homework or play video games?
I don't know. Probably do my homework and then like 30 minutes later, like take breaks and then play video games and then go back.
I just get my homework done all at once.
Yeah,
Then just to get out of the way.
Yeah, sometimes I do that.
There ever been a time you haven't got your error points because you didn't read?
Yeah, last one. That's the only time that I haven't got my error points. I'm getting my error points for sure this time.
Well, that's good.
I feel bad for you. You weren't even here for the error party, even though you had all your error points.
Yeah, I know that.
Was there ever a time that you rushed to do something?
Yeah, my mom, she once told me, I want you to sweep the floor, vacuum your room, clean your room. She told me she's 5 minutes out from the house, rush to do it all. And I didn't get it done. So, hope you learned your lesson. Don't rush. Do what... So, has there ever been a time that you used your time unwisely?
Yeah, one time I was supposed to clean my room. I didn't feel like it. Didn't do it. One time I'm supposed to do my homework. Didn't feel like it. Didn't do it. One time supposed to read. Didn't feel like it. Didn't do it. You know what happened to me? I didn't even talk about it. I never did that again.
All right, how was the outcome of that action you took?
Wasn't really good.
I've had that happen to me once, or maybe twice, where I didn't clean my room, didn't read my book, didn't do my homework. It was very bad for me. And then I straightened my act up, got it together, and every time I'm supposed to do something, do it. So if you go back in time, would you go back and do what you're told when you're supposed to do it?
Yeah. I really try to actually do something.
When was the last time you spent your time unwisely and you didn't use it right?
Well, unwisely that I spent time more watching TV instead of reading my book, getting my AR points. I play games instead of doing my homework.
How does the outcome of that?
Maybe at the last minute, getting your AR points, only like 30 minutes left and you never get them.
How does that feel?
It makes me embarrassed for not getting it.
It made me embarrassed because I didn't get to go when I got my AR points. So I had to go on a trip. So if you can go back and get that time back, what would you do with that time?
I would read books more at night and at school more instead of talking to my friends and stuff.
What do you like to do during your free time?
I like to play sports, video games, and hang out with my family.
Okay. This is what I like to do in my free time. I like spending time with my dad because he's leaving for a couple of months. I like to support my family when I can, and when I cannot, I still support them. I like to play video games, draw, read books, play sports. It's practically my life. What do you do during your free time?
I play video games, practice in my sports that I play. I try to spend time with my family. Yeah, that's it.